My name is Jay Leader. I am from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I just turned 40. I was in an active addiction for 20 years. To me, my life in active addiction seemed like a normal life. I thought that I needed the drugs and alcohol to function. I thought this was normal until it stopped working for me. My addiction affected my family to the point that it was causing them physical health problems. It was also causing us to be distant. So my wife asked me to leave the house about 2 years ago because of my drug use and my drinking. I also lost my identical twin brother to this disease, so it has affected my entire family in multiple ways. Beach House really worked for me because it's a collaborative effort of the clinical team, of the people that work at Beach House, of the program itself. I was able to address not only my addiction problems, but also some trauma. Beach House followed through. They helped me to stick to my regimen, and from the time I got to detox until I got out of treatment at Beach House, there was always somebody helping to care for me. Everybody genuinely cared about my success. The entire medical team, nurses, doctors, even the techs helping in detox were fantastic. And just to have the time away from work, away from family, to sit and look at myself and say, Jay, here's where we can improve, with an entire clinical team really, really was helpful to me. I have had the amazing opportunity to form many friendships while at Beach House. In fact, later this year in the fall, I'm meeting up with a guy from Michigan, a guy from Wyoming, and we're going to do a camping trip out in Wyoming. The most important thing that I've learned would probably be that I can't do sobriety and recovery alone. My disease wants me alone in a basement drinking and drugging, but my time at Beach House has shown me, especially through all the relationships that I formed, that when I'm having a bad day, there's somebody there to help me make it through things, and that's really been special to me. When I was in my darkest moment, I simply wasn't sure that I even wanted to live anymore. Just knowing I had somebody that I could reach out to come back and get help, and that I was wanted, it probably saved my life. I'm able to be present with my son, who's 8 years old, and we have a good time, and I get to see him, and he's not afraid of daddy anymore. Daddy shows up and daddy's fun to be around, so that's been really great. The best thing about my sober life today is that I love me. I am a person that has something to offer the world.